Okay, I found a problem. It was a configuration of before a configuration. I'm gonna show you here what was the problem. Here before the configuration, it was detecting my another USB camera. I have another camera which is I have two Kinects connected and three another stuff. I have another stuff. So if you want to use the webcam, use the integrated camera or webcam, whatever. So let's make it some. It's running right now, the project. So it's hopefully it's detecting something. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you the yeah, it's necessary to, but it's flipped because I didn't configure the part of this configuration. This camera is a webcam that I'm gonna use instead of the camera of the Hololens to detect the target image. So every time that I'm gonna put here in front of the camera, take a look at the console. So I'm gonna check it out, the console, every time that I'm placing here. Oh boy. Oh, that's not okay. There it is. So okay, so it's because it was flipped, of course. So it detects. I guess it's necessary to. That is why it's necessary to take several pictures. So one idea, because it's working only with one picture in that. I'm gonna show you here. So when you cannot take pictures of one object, try to take pictures in different uh, from different angles and different parts, because it's gonna detect literally how you treated it before. Yeah, so that is the idea. Try to take pictures. So what I'm gonna show you now is how to add more images. So you can use. So we here use only one. We only use one image target, but you can use another image target, and for instance here, and you can use from the test database image 5, and you can copy paste or 2. Here's this image 4, image 3, and yeah, so that is enough. So as you remember, so when in Euphoria, if you can notice, there is different images from different angles. So that is the idea. So what I'm doing is creating for every image different angle image and pictures of different angle, and I'm putting it here in the. It doesn't matter if I put it here or close to the camera. It will be perfect for the camera to be a little bit more up to the images, but it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna show you right now how it works. So hopefully right now it's having problems with my laptop. It seems like that probably works. Right now it's activated the simulator HoloLens. But it's not a big deal. So in my computer, it's taking a lot of time because it's not a computer with a really good graphics card. So let me see what is happening. Now it's working. So what I'm gonna do is again and check it out the console. So this is placing here in my webcam, and check it out. Yeah, every time that is detected, the object is detected, and then appears here. Well, as you can see, there's different objects are detected. So yeah, so that is one part. So let's say that we already have a detection of objects. So what we want is to attach every time that is, try to do something every time that one image is detected. So what we do is every time that we select one of these images, I guess it's working better, image 3 or 4, let's say image 4, this one. So in Unity you can attach one script for the C chart script here in the add components. So normally it's like this, you pick different objects, it's in the new script, or you can go to the script, new script, you say handler H4 for the image that I call H4. Doesn't matter. So the important part is add this script is add to the object. So we can double click in the script, and Visual Studio will start with the inside of the code of this script. It's taking too much time. So it's taking a lot. So this is well, this is necessary sometimes for the first time. Try to build the project for the first time. So I didn't. So here we have the events of this image. So everything that we gonna save here, we can use it in Unity literally. Okay. So just for showing you how it works, so we can say the log and do something in the starting when the object is starting. So when in the starting and do something every time that is updated. So when the frame is updated. So what I'm saving, just saving, and we can try right now. If there's a problem in the code, you're gonna receive also in the console if there's a mistake. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna maximize my stuff here. So probably I'm gonna add another script called handler H3. So click yes, and I'm just gonna copy paste from the previous one. I didn't save it, so great. So save it, attach to Unity. Alright, so we have there is inconsistent, and this is not a problem. So we have every time that what we are is done is every time that is the image H4 detected, the script will jump. What is this? Okay, so let's run it again. I'm going to show you the video, how this is going on. Again, this problem, I have to see what it is. That is working in any case. So I'm cleaning this. Well, it's up. So, yeah. So please check it out the console. So I'm gonna move this so the script will be hopefully detected. Yeah, do something. Yeah, try that. Because something. Do something when the frame is updated, then it's updated. So yeah, so we got this. So this is the important part here. So what I've just showed right now is that the way how you can connect Unity to Vuforia and attach an event every time that is detected one of these objects that we put in Vuforia. So it's a long trip, but once we have here, we can add any kind of event in Unity once it's detected. For instance, instead of using the debug log here, we can, for instance, create another object. Let's stop this. We can create another 3D object, cube, for instance, and so we can create a small cube and see and this cube. Let's put it here. This cube, and we can add, for instance, we can add a material around, or we can add whatever physical characteristic of the cube, and we can, for instance, every time what is possible to do, and then this made in different application, is every time that is detected an object, for instance here, every time that is detected an object, so we can create a cube or a pop-up or whatever 3D object, and that object will be rendered in the Unity, or in later if you connect it to, because I was only using the emulator to not wear this Hololens, but you can plug it in the remote to the device and you're gonna see what I was seeing. So that is pretty much a help. Try to check some of the videos that here. They're well explained, and if you want to make a little bit of to add more physics and dynamics of the objects and more material and add some events, try to check these two videos, and yeah, thank you very much.